These dams have dried up due to lack of rains, and officials have found an easy excuse to blame the nature for an acute water shortage of up to 70%.
If you compare the water supply, we are about 70% short this year. It's a very serious situation. But now our plan is to ration the supply, to reduce the supply, and keep supplying water, of course, in less quantities up to July when we get the monsoons.
With only a few months of drinking water supply left, Capital's civic body is waking up from its slumber to meet the challenge of water shortage with short-term measures.
There are tankers that needed repairs. We have repaired those tankers. We have also hired tankers from the private sector. We have increased the number of tankers. Plus, we are working on checking water leakages. A crash program has started to do that. There were a few huge leakages near Marriott in the green belt. Those have been now attended to, and similarly, we are taking some conservation measures to conserve water. Also, we are repairing some tube wells which have been, under repairs over the years. So the crash program has been launched.
Many citizens believe that a private tankers mafia is being sponsored to exploit the citizens' need for water, the primary responsibility of Capital Development Authority.
हम सुबह ऑफिस जाते हैं ना, तो यही हम देखते हैं कब वापस जाएंगे, पानी भरेंगे घर का और किस तरह निज़ाम चलेगा।
सबसे बेहतर बंदा किसी नाले से भर ले तो वो सही है, टैंकर से छोड़े, टैंकर सही नहीं है।
टैंकर फ़ोन करते हैं तो वो 2-2 3-3 दिन फिर भी नहीं आते।
टैंकर मंगाना ही बेकार है। 8-9 हज़ार रुपये टैंक वाला लेंगे मगर पानी वो गंदा पानी मिलेगा।
पानी नहीं आ रहा भाई मेरे।
The water crisis in the capital is getting acute. The water supply from Simla Dam is now almost half as compared to last month, and almost 100 tube wells have dried up due to depletion of underground water resources. The water shortage is natural as there were no rains during this winter. But many people believe CDA is also responsible for the misery of the residents of Islamabad, since it did not construct a single water reservoir during last 10 years. It is despite the fact it knew about the increasing demand for water during this era. Sajid Gondal, Dawn News, Islamabad.